constitution ithi wonke umuntu uvumelekile ukuthi afunde asiphikisene nayo but hambani nekuma private school niyokhokha khona singezukuphambana lapha mangabe sesithi thina ingane zethu azinayo indawo. You cannot come to a government school ugovernment ogovernisha abantu base South Africa because ibona bawubekile ekubeni ugovernment to begin with ebese sizobanga nabantu who are not even supposed to be here, who are supposed to have been deported a long time ago because they are illegal in the country. Ebese bezocasha ngaleli lokuthi they are refugees. I remember mina a long time ago, I think it was 2012, there was a camp. Yes, a refugee camp. Whereby if wafuna ukunikela something you would go there. If we went there siyonikela blanket because they were in their space abahluphi umuntu bakhosele. Now thina ke singabantu sinobuntu siyazi ukuthi kuyaphiliswana nabantu emhlabeni, and if kuukuthi even you're listening to just uzomuzwa akaphikisene nokuthi abantwana bangafundi. Mangabe abantwana babo bedinga ukufunda abaya ema private schools njengoba mangabe bedinga healthcare ayikho inkinga, private hospital la kwa government ithini sibeka ugovernment ngamavote ethu ukuthi ube ugovernment. Therefore ugovernment is supposed to service us esiubekileyo, not abantu abangawuvoteli ngenxa ukuthi they don't even have the right to be in the country, ngenxa ukuthi they don't have the papers. Iqiniso lithi mangabe ufika emzini wami ukhala uhluphekile awunayo indawo yokulala lapho suka khona ubekuliwe ekhaya kunzima, you need usizo, you need uncedo. Mase ngikuthatha mina ngithi kulungile nansi backroom ngena uhlale khona, wena ukwazi ukuthi ngoba ngihlalise kwi backroom yami ngiyavuka ekseni usuhlaba inkomo esesibayeni sami just because usuhlala egcekeni elilodwa nami sekuyikwakho nawe. You can't do that. Awukwazi ukudisrespecta abantu endaweni yabo bese expect ukuthi bona babe kind kuwena. I-arrogance ekubantu abama foreigner njengamanje yamangalisa, but basekhona abalikhulumayo iqiniso lokuthi nabo emazweni abo babengeke bevuma ukwenziwa njengoba besenza. Kodwa thina kumele sivume because ugovernment wethu awunamgogodla, ugovernment wethu uyancetheza, ugovernment wethu uthanda ukuthandwa. Uyilaba abantu kahle kahle ugovernment wethu insecure. Ufana nje nentombazane insecure efuna ukuthandwa wona wonke umuntu kancane kancane bile kubuza ukuthi ngimuhleni yangifanele lento engigqokile ngigqoke kanjani. Si insecure as a government which is very very insecure. Ufuna ukuzwa ngabanye abantu ukuthi uright yini wona. Asikwazi nje ukuthatha inqumo sime kuzona sithi no, this is the stance esisithathile and that's that. Sifuna ukimpress America, at the same time we want to impress the SADC, at the same time we want to impress BRICS. We want to impress everybody. Uyabona ke when you do not stand for something you fall for anything and everything. We cannot impress other people at our expense. Lokho akwazi kwenzeka. So ngithi nje ugovernment luyeza ukhetho qhubeka kanje nale nonsense eniyenzayo. Abantu ngcono ngoba bayanibuka, especially ANC because iyona esiholayo, iyona ugovernment wethu. Yes, ANC imbaxa mbili kanye neDA neIFP kanjalo neFreedom Front Plus nayo yonke lenye inxanxathele ngemuva kwabo, kodwa abantu abahamba phambili iANC. iANC ke kodwa ke we also understand ukuthi uRamaphosa has an agenda yokuqeda ngeANC, washo uDeclerk. So siyayibona ukuthi uyaqeda ngayo. I guess isona speakilike lesashayelayo ukuthi akukasulwe thina as abantu bendawo, abahlali bendawo, abahlali base South Africa umtsinso kuyimilela la akuhlukunyezwe thina khona thina singezukuyivotela ngempela ki-ANC kusho ukuthi i-ANC kulolu khetho izobuya nobani nje manibhekile lo 40% awuphethe njengamanje ayikhohlwe yibona ayikhohlwe yibona because isibaqhele kakhulu abantu ibaqhela yo sekunqena ukusho leli igama ngoba manje linako kuba inhlambano yabo but nje hayi